Everyone, I would like you to sorry. Everyone, I would like you to take a moment and close your eyes and think back on the way that you traverse here. People here travel by car, by BTS, or even by MRT. And think back to what you see. You might see the road, you might see buildings. There are several things that you see. However, I'm 100% certain there's one thing that you all would see, and that's trash. Because it's all around Thailand. In fact, 26 million tons of trash, again, 26 million tons are here in Thailand. And that is equivalent to 17 million cars worth of weight. So that's a lot of trash here in Thailand. Now, we here at Rebrick see that trash, and we see that that is an opportunity. That's an opportunity to convert all those things into a brick. That brick could be used to build walls, could be used to build houses, could be used to build schools, universities, or anything that you could imagine. Greetings, my name is Thanatorn, and I'm the founder of Rebrick.
I'm Krishnan, I'm a business analyst.
I'm Thanakit Shashir, and I'm research and development at Rebrick.
I'm business analyst.
I'm Thomas Animakul, and I'm business analyst.
I am Rashman Kakla, and I am the head of marketing executive.
Now let's move on to the contents that we covered today. First, Rebrick, what it is, what the company is, and what the product is. Second is key insights related to Rebrick. And lastly, the SWOT analysis. Let's first start with Rebrick. I'll pass it on to Thanakit.
Thank you, Thanator. So, as part of research and development team, today, I'm excited to introduce you to our product, Rebrick, a game-changing innovation in sustainable constructions. Imagine a world if we can turn plastic waste into something that's functional, durable, and beautiful. Yes, that's exactly what we were able to achieve here at Rebrick. Our bricks are made from recycled plastic waste and found breeders, which is stronger, more sustainable, and more versatile than traditional bricks. Rebrick is not just another building materials, it's a solution. Each year, hundreds of millions of tons of plastic trash ends up in landfills and oceans, while traditional bricks productions consumes a vast amount of natural resources and materials like water, soil, and cement. And this is where our products comes in. Rebrick tackle both problems head-on. All products are made from 80% farm breeders and 20% recycled plastic waste, requiring no water, cement, and soil at all. This means we're not just reducing plastic waste, we're also eliminating the needs for natural resources entirely. And because we don't need these materials, this allows us to save additional costs on our productions. But here's the best part. On our testing, we found out that our bricks is 2.5 times stronger than traditional bricks, with superior compressive strength, thermal insulations, and water absorption properties. And with all of these properties, we're also using 80% less resources than traditional bricks. And our bricks, they are also durable, easy to clean, comes in various designs and colors, making them perfect in commercials and residential uses. Right now, we're selling them at 4 baht a piece, with the production cost of only 1 baht per piece. That means we're selling them at a 300% profit margin price. Again, 300% profit margins. Now that you've seen what Rebrick is and why it's such a game changer, I'll hand it over to Porte, who will dive into the industry trend that make Rebrick not just relevant, but essential in this market.
Thank you, Thanakit. So after we get to know about the product already, let's dive a little bit deeper into our insights and our industry, which is the construction. Our construction industry valued at $24 billion USD in 2024 and is projected to grow over 4% annually through 2028. This growth rate is fueled by increasing demand for housing, commercial buildings, and also the infrastructure. And you might wonder, why it is such a big growth? Because the sustainability is no longer just a trend. It is a necessity. But at the same time, this industry is facing a big problem, which is traditional materials like bricks, like clay bricks and cement blocks, use way too many resources and also harming the environment. And with that, with that problem, with sustainability, as I said earlier, becoming our top priority. in Thailand, we produce over 10 million, way more than that, like millions of tons of plastic every year, and much of it goes unutilized. And by addressing that problem, if we can turn all these waste into durable, strong, and eco-friendly bricks, we would be able to renovate our future. And as you can see, sorry, you can go back. Yeah. And as we can see, the construction market in Thailand is shifting. And not only that, governments and developers worldwide are pushing for more green construction. Even in Thailand, policies are now encouraging builders to use more sustainable materials. And our recycled bricks is focusing on that. Not only align with these trends, but also not only align with these trends here, but also goes along with the demand that increasing in construction material market. Can you go on a little bit? Yeah. And in the conclusion, the construction market in Thailand is shifting. And also, by turning the plastic waste into the eco-friendly and alternative bricks, and also high-quality bricks, we will be able to building a greener and cleaner Thailand. And then I will pass on to Pat to talk about our competitors and our SWOT analysis.
Thank you, Rashanan. So here's our competitor analysis for eco-brick industry in Thailand and how it can position us into a unique market opportunity. Start with our direct competitor, the Taro project. Taro project is the only dedicated eco-brick project currently operating in Thailand. The project transforms plastic waste into eco-brick like that. However, it is important to know that Taro is not even a brick manufacturing company. So this is more like a side project rather than a full-scale operation, which limits their technology supply and manufacturing resources. So you may think we have no competitor at all. But we cannot ignore that our indirect competitor, who is not currently focused on eco-bricks, but could potentially focus on it later on. Start with SCG, Siam Cement Group. SCG is the biggest industrial conglomerate in Thailand, holding the highest market value in the set. And they also stand out in sustainability front, as they were ranked first among 125 global industrial conglomerates in ESG risk by Sustainalytics. However, since they are already the leader of the market and have a good ESG performance, they have less incentive into integrating into a new eco-centric market like eco. Next is Thaipoline. Thaipoline is well known for their large-scale manufacturing of the traditional brick. They provide their bricks to customers with high quality and high volume for many years now. However, they are also known as conservative company, as they're using only one method of making their bricks since the start of the company. So, as a conservative company, adopting a new innovative product like eco-bricks would contrast with their core market value. So, in summary, since there are no direct competitor in Thailand and our indirect competitor is not focusing on the market right now, that makes us and provide us an excellent opportunity that we can differentiate ourselves as the first ever eco-brick manufacturing firm in Thailand. Next, I will pass on Kristina to talk about our strengths and weaknesses.
Thank you, Pat. As Pat mentioned that we could be the pioneer in this market, I'll be highlighting on some strengths and weaknesses that we might face. So let's get started with strengths. Our product offers a practical solution in reducing both plastic waste and CO2 emission produced by the traditional brick making. So, as mentioned before, we use our technology to transform plastic waste into durable, high-performance real brick block that are comparable to those of traditional one or even exceed them. But unlike those ones that require tons of resources to produce, our brick require much fewer resources as the plastic waste are everywhere. This brings down the production cost by 25% and also minimizing the environmental impact. This makes our company not only eco-friendly but also cost-efficient, a crucial factor in the construction industry. Next, I will be talking about the challenges we may face. So, as we are only a startup company and we are not on the commercialized scale yet, we have not been supported or approved by the Thai government. But to ensure our credibility, we have obtained some globally recognized certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and also SGS testing certificates. These are the essential tools to obtain the Thai government incentive as there are growing demand of more sustainable building construction materials. The next challenge we may face is low brand recognition, as our products are not yet widely adopted in the industry. So to penetrate this market, we could perform a strategic partnership with some major construction companies such as Sino-Thai Engineering and Construction Company to integrate our bricks into their pilot projects such as residential, commercialized, or public buildings. By doing so, we'll gain both credibility and also visibility, positioning ourselves as a leader of the sustainable construction movement. Now I'll hand it over to Provinsor to talk about threats and opportunities.
Thank you, Christina. While it's true that many startups are faced with challenges, but many challenges always bring opportunities. And in this case, in fact, rising in sustainable construction is a huge potential for our product. In today's world, the world is shifting toward a green material environment, where pollution is the main concern. Government is requiring a solution to this problem. Many countries have already requiring and recycled material for the construction. This because our material is not only great for the environment, but it is also better for construction. The plastic bricks are far more sustainable, more lighter, and more durable than traditional brick. So, yeah, let's move to the. While it's true that many issues come arise, it's always come with a trap. The biggest one is the trust and regulation issues. Many companies like construction industry is very strict industry. Of course, because there's many things that is at stake there. Imagine if one day you wanted to build a house and someone just come to you and offer you to use a material that is very new invented, something that's never used in the real world before. Of course, you would feel concerned, right? This is the same. New material must be tested in the real world before. Builder would prefer to use something that they are familiar with instead of something new. To gain that trust, we need to test it, find some evidence in the real world. Trust-wise, we also face some challenges from other of the material, like fly ash brick. And it is our job to stand out among all the material. Next, Hanathwan will talk about the conclusion.
So let's move on. So our goal today is to get 10 million baht in investment, and we plan to grow it to 50 million baht by 2030. This is within only 5 years. And this is rise driven by the government. The government has a lot of support on ESG projects. So therefore, there will be a lot of government support when we come into Thailand. Second is the opportunity that we see that consumers are now moving towards ESG products. So people are now consuming more and more. And thirdly is that our bricks is actually cheaper than other bricks in the market. Most bricks in the market right now average around 8 baht per piece, but we're only selling it for 4 baht per piece. And ours is stronger and ours is much better. Let's move on to the next goal. The next goal is we want to reduce waste. So there's 26 million tons of plastic waste here in Thailand. Our goal is to reduce it by 10%. That's 2.6 million tons of plastic waste. And you might not think that it's a lot, but it's around 1 million car worth of plastic waste. So we at Rebrick want you to imagine the world not only built upon foundations of the past, but remnants of the present. We see these plastic waste and we see an opportunity to change, an opportunity to inspire, an opportunity to create a better world. We are turning these plastic waste into bricks. We're not just recycling them. So I would invite you to also come and do it. This is just an example, just a testament of what humanity can achieve with just a piece of plastic. Thank you for listening, and the floor is now open for Q&A.